We'll guide you through how to install extensions in Google Chrome. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in Google Chrome. Extensions can be a great addition to it because they can go and do different things depending upon what you go and get. So to go and get started in Chrome, come to the top right and you want to go and find the three dots and click there. Go down, find the option for extensions and hover over it, and press Visit Chrome Web Store. This opens up the Chrome extension store essentially. What we can do is that in the top left is you can go and filter for extensions like so. Now you can go and search for things specific at the top. Otherwise, you can go and start browsing through. There's lots of different things and you can even go and filter on the left here. Let's go and say we filter for tools. A really cool extension is Shazam. This will go and help you find songs. So what you could do is go and press Add to Chrome. Let's go and say a song was playing in a video, you can go and use Shazam to identify it. So over to the right here, you press Add to Chrome. You then go and get this pop-up and you need to go and press Add Extension, like so. Now go and wait and it's going to go and be added. Now in the top right, you should go and see this puzzle piece. This is extensions. Click on it. Then you can go and see we've got it here. So you can go and pin it to the right if you want. Otherwise, you can go and click on it and it's going to go and open up. Shazam is now listening.